To configure our menu here, let's go up to the top and go to our other tab, and then let's click on content on the left-hand side. Then let's click on menus here. And here we can actually see our main menu. Again, you'll see home, catalog, and contact. Let's click into our main menu to change this. I'll start by removing the home, the catalog, and the contact page. And now we can begin adding in the menu items that we actually want to our header. I'll start by clicking on Add Menu Item, and then for the label, I'll name this one New Arrivals. And then for the link, I'll click into it, click on Collections, and then click on the New Arrivals collection. Let's do this again, and then name this one Women's. Do the same thing, link this one to the Women's collection. Then finally, let's do the same thing for Men's, and then link the collection here just like before. I'll click on the checkmark icon next to all three of these options, and then click on Save to finalize everything. Now if I go back to the other tab, to my theme editor, I'll click on Save. And now within our header, we see the new menu items. We have New Arrivals, Women's, and Men's. If I click into Men's, for example, we'll see that it leads us to the correct location as well.